So I decided that for my last few days of the pregnancy, I'm going to do a little journal, or what do I call this? Yeah, a little journal. Just talking about my last day's experience and how I'm feeling. Okay, so I am actually 35 weeks today. I didn't turn 35 today, but I am on my 35th week. And I'm tired. I am tired. All of the alley them, mentally, physically, all the alleys. Yeah. So tired, but grateful to have gotten this far. Grateful that we're both healthy and for the most part, and grateful that we got this far. Like in the beginning it was like, are we gonna get to the end? But we're getting there, and that's amazing. And when I really think about how far we've come, like it's crazy, because he started out so small and now he's a whole big somebody bashing up my back. But anyways, a few days ago, like maybe 2 days ago, I had a little bit of a breakdown. I woke up and it was just not it for me that day. Like, yeah. Today I'm not feeling that up either, but I push through today. Today I almost finished, and me determined to finish today with no tears. But the other day, this was like 2 days ago, I think so. I woke up and I was just not feeling it. Like Jerome isn't here yet, my mother isn't here yet, I'm just here. Yeah. And it's just like, to be fair, it's a lonely place, but to be fair, even when I was in Jamaica and Jerome was literally right there beside me doing all that he could, I still felt alone. Like I'm doing this by myself. Like nobody not understand how I feel. Like I don't know. But now it's like even more, because he's not here. And another part of the worry is that what if the baby comes and he's not here? I don't want that to happen. I really don't. I don't know, I think that would mash me up a little bit. But anyways, yeah, so that was on my mind, and thinking about like all the aches and pains that I'm having. And it's like, no, but I can't exercise. I can barely walk from my room to the bathroom. I don't know, like everything just triggers me, because I'm just like, you're not feeling what I'm feeling. It's almost like downplaying my feelings. Yeah. And all of that just in my mind. I'm just like, Jaja, I can't take no more. Like, one of them things, is it? And and my breakdown, like me dip on the bus and me just start bawl. I was going to the doctor. I mean, I full of water. I'm just like, nope, you're not going to cry in here. And then on my way back, like it just shell me down. Like while I was at the doctor and I was talking to the midwife, and she said, "Are you okay? The last time I saw you, you were looking so cheerful. What's wrong?" And I said nothing. Cause me like just do what you do. I got me had no miss. But she was there like, "What's wrong?" And me like, "Lady, do what you do. I'm going to be hard." Like I wasn't saying that to her, but my face was just like, "I'm fine. Just do what you do." Like, so yeah. She did what she was doing. She kind of like tried to cheer me up a little bit, like, "Don't worry, this is the last leg, and most people in the last leg them hit the wall and then really struggling at that last phase here and whatever." And I just did it. I said, And she said, "But don't worry, you're almost there, and at the end of it, you're gonna get your baby," and blah blah blah, and that's why I said I'm so grateful. I'm grateful, but the journey, brother, the journey, rough. Also, me just check if the if the time is still around. What else has happened? So after my ball up me head him on the bus, and then mommy called me when me up on the bus, and I showed me something, and me just like, yeah. I just said, "What are you?" And then me just bust out a ball on the bus. I literally just burst into tears on the bus, and I'm just like, I'm so over this. Like, everybody just cheerful, and everybody just a move up and down, and everybody just perky and can get up and go and do what they want. And like if you want to go shop, you know, if you think about nothing, like I have to do most of my shopping delivery because I can't carry more than one bag, like, and even one bag kind of stress me out, like, whew. And like me just feel like I know my body again, like it's not mine. Like I know some my body work, you understand? But if you have to share your body with a life, a brand new life, then I think it's worth it. But the journey is just, if you're not like mentally firm and physically, I think, I was going to say that about my body not feeling like my own, like that's so kind of a part of what the midwife was saying as well, that you're not used to share your body, you're used to anything you do, you can just do it, and if you think about, I mean, somebody else in here, so whatever I do affects the other person as well, and you're not used to your body at this size or this weight, so it's like a sudden transformation, and it's just like, who is this person? Like, this isn't me, kind of thing. And I think I have a little bit of a struggle with that, because sometimes I lay down and I feel like, yeah, and then I look down and I see my belly, I'm like, wait, what? Like it not click, like, oh, Rockstone, there's someone else here, like, you know. But it's just the fact that you gain, well, I don't know about nobody else, but I gained so much weight in a very quick amount of time, and I don't feel like my body manage the weight properly. So yeah. But anyways, as I was saying, yesterday I was fine, and I had a moment of gratitude. I'm like, God, me thank him, because if I never you, me no know how much I reach so far. And I really gave thanks for where we're at now and how far we've come, and the little blessing where I come. Yes. I really gave God thanks for this journey, even though it's rocky, but it's worth it in the end. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Today I'm kind of in the middle. I'm not really down, but I'm not really up. Like, me just in the middle today. Yeah, just yeah. Today I'm just like really in and talking, no one do nothing, me no go nowhere. Like, it's yeah, it's minutes to 9 now for a man in Moanga shop, and I just could not. I couldn't bring my mind to say, yeah, we're gonna shop now. I just went, and I thought me find the strength to come do this, but I literally just stayed on the bed the whole day, like, so over it. And yeah, but my dear, know that you are loved, you are cared for, and we do want you here. It's just a journey to get you here, full of patrol and things in the road, but yeah, we'll get there, right? Yeah, so I have nothing else to say right now, so I'm gonna go. Yeah. People, like, when I see people, and but this is the last thing I'm going to say. When I see people, one, be kind to them and whatever. You don't know what them are go through and all of that. And yes, everybody's going through something, but people handle stress differently. People handle different things differently. Be kind to people, as well as leave people alone. Like, don't say certain things to people that really isn't your business, for example. And if this rubs you the wrong way, then I meant it to rub you the wrong way. I haven't yet released my first, and people are like, yeah man, remember say you have to go back for a second, like, can you get out of my womb? If you want to have more, you go have more. Don't force more on me. Leave people alone. People that don't have children yet, stop asking them when they gonna have me. You don't know their circumstances, and you not gonna pay one school fee when they come. People that are on their first one, but the first one not come out yet, leave them alone. People that have one or two, not ask them if they might go back for no more. Leave people alone, man. Like, how does it benefit you to have that information? How does it benefit you to, like, I know that it's a cultural thing, and Jerome keep on and tell me say, no man, it's a cultural thing. I just hope people stay, like, they won't ask. Just because I just saw on the stain, I mean say it's a good thing. It doesn't mean that I'm not supposed to get upset about you doing that. Like, me never come to you, come ask you nothing personal like that before. So why you feel like you're supposed to ask me? It's just, yeah. I don't want to go off on another tangent, so I'm just gonna stop the video here. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna try to do these daily. If not, I'm gonna do just like what I just did, combine a few days. But yeah. Sorry if it came off a little, but my hurt, man, my hurt. I forget it off of my chest. I'm gonna leave people alone. And just because it go good for you, no mean say it go good for me. It hurt my man. It hurt my bad. Alright guys, let me just show you the belly. My beautiful baby. So you can't barely get up. Oh my god. Oh my god, do this now. Alright, hold on. This is my child. See big? Big boy. But yeah. Yeah, soon later. Bye.